Open the file and click the layer on the left to select the desired size. Be sure at this time, for all pattern size should also be clicked. And click Print. Select only the first page to make sure the pattern is printed in the correct size. Adjust the scale to 100% and then print. Make sure the scale text box fits 2.5 cm. After checking the size, print the rest except for the first page. When connecting patterns, you can easily know the order by referring to the print layout page in the instruction file. After arranging the patterns in order, cut the guidelines. If you use glue or paper tape, you can iron the pattern when it gets wrinkled and keep the pattern longer. The second way is to fold the corners of the guideline and align the vertices to connect the pattern without cutting it. Finally, all patterns in OJAYROOM include seam allowances and are drawn on the pattern. The outer line is the seam line, the inner line is the finished line, and if there is another dotted line, even though you have selected one size, it is the stitch line. Always cut the outside line.